Hi and welcome to another Virtual Lens video. Today, I will be making a simple plaster formicarium. For the theme of this formicarium, I'm going for a sort of beach theme, with white sand, driftwood, and small pieces of dried up coral. Now, to make your formicarium, you'll need a container. You will also need plaster of Paris, molding clay or Play-Doh to make the tunnels, water, and an extra container to make the plaster in. For this container, you will want something that you wouldn't use again, as the excess plaster sets and it's a real nightmare to clean. Now, after slowly putting in your mix until it is not absorbing the plaster anymore, it is time to start mixing it. So remember that you'll still have to add more until it is a yogurt-like texture. Now, after finishing your mix, you will want to make the tunnels before filling the container with plaster. Now, I will be using this piece of draft wood to fill up space in my formicarium so that I don't run short on plaster. Though I wanted to choose a kind of beach look, as the ants that I am fond of keeping in this formicarium are small, cute big-head ants that are super popular at the beach. Hi, and thank you so much for watching my video. I hope the video helps you create your own plaster formicarium. And I've got big news. The following week we will not be posting any videos, as we're going camping, but hoping to get heaps of footage and heaps of new species to feature on this channel. And if you're excited to see what we get, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you get the videos when they come out.